Just a second, guys, just a second. Where is the link? Not this one. Test. Look at the rejection over here. Okay, let's take 5 minutes, so people can gather around. Guys, I'm mad. I'm literally mad. I'm gonna explain to you why. I'm very, very mad, guys. I'm very, very, very mad. Very mad. Someone hack your call. How bad is it? It's nothing like that. It's not like that. It's more like, I'm mad. I'm not making money. But I'm gonna explain, guys. I'm gonna explain. And we gotta step up the game, guys. We gotta step up the game. So, let's take 5-minute break. And after that, I'll explain why I'm mad. I mean, you're gonna be mad as well. I'm telling you. Once you understand, you're gonna be mad. Okay, guys. Where are we gonna start? I'm mad, guys. I'm mad. I'm angry mad at myself. Why am I mad at myself? Because I'm not making money, guys. People left and right are making money and I'm not making money. I mean, I did buy down at, you know, what you thought is the bottom, right? Over here. So any altcoins that have been, you know, down there, you know, I've been buying. So my portfolio is doing okay. I mean, it's not that much, but you know, I'm not down. It's fine. Some micro altcoins are still down, you know, but portfolio is doing fine, right? But the amount of money people are making on Bybit, trading, hodling, not scalping, not doing, you know, the 2-hour trades, just, you know, buying, keeping it for a week, making big bucks. It's insane, guys. It's insane. And right now, I saw, you know, the guy, that Martini guy, I told you before about him, that Martini guy, he posted this over here. 1 month it only takes to make life-changing sum of money in crypto. I started an account with only 7K at the start of January. I've now flipped it nearly to 200K. All trade posted publicly. Let's take this to 1 million. Look at his account, man. I'm trying to get, you know, 400 million. This guy is, you know, doing 700 to 200K in a bull market. Now that Martini guy got a channel, and he is, you know, I've been shilling this guy. You know, if you like altcoins, want to hear, you know, about altcoin stuff like that, this is the guy, right? Because he's been in the space since 2014, 2017. I don't know, I don't remember. But he was, at one point, he was one of the richest people in, you know, Britain. And that's because of altcoins. He's the, you know, the king of ICOs, the king of, you know, buying stuff cheap, the king of pre-sales. And he's been making big money. Now, he has a second channel. He has a second channel called TMG Trades. And this guy, oh, over here you can see that okay, he's making like 100%, you know, 160%, 20%, 1000%, 40%. I think this is a phantom trade. He has made some bad picks, yeah, definitely. But thing is, he's making money, and the way he makes money is by trading in a bull market. And I mean, in the bear market, he didn't do well during trading. Like I don't think he did well. He hasn't been, you know, calling any good calls and stuff like that, right? But thing is, he's making money, and what's making me mad is that I've seen also, you know, Crypto is making money, you know, the Moon is making money, CryptoFace is making big money, you know, the traders are making money. That's the bottom line. The traders are making money and I'm not making money. And I've been thinking about, you know, a little bit about, you know, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not making money? I'm exiting positions too fast, then it pumps, then, you know, waiting for a pullback, gets the pullback, you know, small profits get stopped out, tight stop losses. So I think I need to change a little bit, you know, strategy about the tight stop loss, a little bit strategy about, you know, risk management, not 100% 10x into everything, and so forth. But I'm a little bit mad that, you know, I'm not making money. So what are we gonna do is, of course, we have 2K right now on Bybit over here. We got a 2K on Bybit, you know, 2,100 on Bybit. So we're gonna continue trading that on 400 to 1 million challenge. But we're gonna enter the trades, and I'm also gonna show you what kind of trade. I'm also gonna transfer. I had a small position on Qcoin. I think I lost a couple of, you know, $1,000 on that or something like that, but it is a $6,000 position, so I closed that position and I transferred to Bybit, so I'm gonna be trading that as well. And and right now, you know, Bitcoin is going through some kind of pullback, but we gotta hodl, we gotta, you know, gotta change my game a little bit, you know, gotta figure it out, and you know, we gotta start making money, because this is not gonna work out. I mean, sure, I can invest in altcoins, I can invest in everything, spot trade, not spot trade, but spot buy, wait until the end of the bull market. Yes, I will be hugely in profit. But the amount of money these guys are making, it's making me mad. I mean, if that doesn't make you mad, I don't know what's gonna make you mad. The amount of money they are making, it's insane. And they're not doing anything special. They're just buying, just hodling, just like stuff just like, you know, pumps. It comes to the resistance and then explodes like 30% towards the upside. With 10x, that's like 3x that's like 3x on your account. You're talking about whales. I'm not talking about whales. I'm talking about you know, normal people. I'm talking that Martini guy, and his TA is not all that, you know, fantastic. It's good TA, it's okay, you know, whatever, you know. But, you know, a little bit leverage, hodl in a bull market, and stuff exposed like 30%. So we're gonna change that. So that said, there is no time to waste. We gotta start looking at charts. Start like, how you doing, man? Mohammed, what's up? Sola, Vishan. I'm on the road and charging up my device with a client. What's happened? A little pullback. Someone hack your call. Nah. Optunes. Carl Moon is a whale. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I mean, even if you are a whale, I mean, you still gotta, you know, put a 10x position down. Like, Mladen did, you know, 10x or whatever x on 16, 17k. The Moon did, you know, leverage on 16, 17k. Crypto did leverage on 70k or something like that, right? 70, 80, 19k. Martini guy did, you know, did big moves, and every single time, you know, price pulls back, you know, in some kind of bull market up here, anytime price pulls back, those are buying opportunities. But you know, we get all the time stopped out. We get, you know, I get scrammed, you know, because for whatever reason you buy up here, you know, it goes down over here, you know, it comes up here, you know, or it pumps a little bit, goes down, you know, gets stopped out. I think we need to take a, you know, bigger risk with less money or something like that. But you're not mad at me. No, I'm not mad at you, man. I like that, you know, somebody is making money. I like that somebody, you know, I'm just mad that I am not making money. There's nothing. I'm happy for everybody else. I'm happy for the Moon. I'm happy for Crypto. I'm happy for that Martini guy. I'm happy for Crypto Face. I'm happy for Mladen. I'm happy for everybody making money. I'm just not happy that I'm not making money. That, you know, it's a little bit different. You know, I'm not you know, one of those grumpy guys that are, oh, they're making money, but you know, not like that. At least I about at 16k. 90% psychological, yes. It's 25x. Damn. See, plan knows. So Bitcoin is going through this pullback. Of course, bears are not going to buy the pullback. Trading views are a little bit laggy, so that means there is a lot of volatility right now in the market. I'm mad too. I closed my long just before the pump. Yeah, so we are not making money, guys. You know, us closing positions, we are not making money. So this over here is hitting the resistance up here. Of course, it's pulling a little bit back towards the moving averages, which is quite normal. Bears are thinking it's gonna go down to 0 and stuff like that, right? There is also a line up here, very nice. Up here, if you use this wick over here and these bottoms down here. See, right now we're coming to that level over here, and then we got also the support down here at, you know, 23k. So right now, I don't know if you saw the bounce a little bit up here, but came right under the line. I'm trying to find coins that did not pump hard yet, because money has to flow from pumpers to the other side. Their time will come. That said, guys, follow the guy. I've been shilling the guy before when it comes to altcoins. Now, this is his secondary channel. Follow this channel as well, TMG Trades. Follow the channel, and he has also a Telegram where he does his calls. Where is Telegram up here? My new business. Where is the Telegram links? Announcements, Twitter. Here it is. Calls and training. This link over here. So if you go to this link over here, He does do calls like long on ZIL, long on SLP Bybit, long on SNR, long spell, and he does all his call in his call group, right? So you're welcome to check it out. And I'm not gonna be mad if you make money. I'm gonna be happy if you make money, of course. That's not about that. It's just about, you know, me not making money. They show only win trades. They have a lot of money already. So no, I definitely, you know, Martini guy is not that kind of guy. You know, Martini guy is not, you know, guy that, you know, just chilling his, you know, Discord group, you know, pay me, you know, $500 a month and, you know, you get my calls. It's nothing like that. Like the guy's, you know, loaded like hell. Trying to find coins that did not pump yet so hard. So yeah, so that's the thing, finding coins that did not pump up here. You'll see up here, this is Aptos over here. It's going for this retest up here at the top. Maybe some Claris give or take. Up here, Aptos also has, you know, more room towards the upside up here, give or take up here. You can see here it's sitting on the support line over here, maybe waiting for moving averages. But it has a room towards the downside. Now Bitcoin is pulled back down to the support line over here, and this move up here, you can see up here, once Bitcoin hit the resistance up here, it pulled back but it did not dump, and it tried to go up and tried to go down. It just didn't go over here, and then, you know, it tried to go down, pumped up here, and then bam into the support line. So I think, you know, right now altcoins are definitely hitting some kind of support levels. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to 4-hourly time frame over here. And you'll see up here that, you know, they are pulling back to the support levels. For example, Altcoin up here is pulling down to the support level. There is a nice resistance line over here. Nice resistance line. Now, if you go to the weekly time frame over here, and moving averages are not popping up on the screen. Let's go to the daily time frame up here. Yeah, Altcoin doesn't have that. So this thing, you know, can do nice moves towards upside up here. Let's see up here, and ETV. I also started doing the dailies for. I was actually talking today about ETV for members only, the elite members up here. Nobody has watched the video, doesn't matter. But it looked nice. But the thing about ETV is it is very pumping coin. So when it goes pretty hard towards upside. You stream some really good trades. Believe me, said you could. Job numbers early because we don't care about job now. Everyone loses if he is not showing losses, then suspect. Trading is pretty simple. Sell the top and buy the bottom of range. Hardest part is probably psychology. Always play your trades ahead. High leverage on small investments, less risk, higher payout. Might be that. Doesn't matter. We're gonna enter the trades. I think Bitcoin is pulling back. So the thing about Bitcoin over here, right, is going inside this, you know, rising wedge over here. And it's not done yet. I mean, it hasn't pumped above the rising wedge, but it hasn't dumped below the rising wedge yet, right? So it has time. We can also assume this is some kind of support levels up here. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame up here. Could pull down back more into the support, but if it's bullish, it's just gonna bounce over here. So bears are definitely looking for, you know, some kind of long positions. ADA is channeling towards the upside up here. See this? But there is like 2 channels over here. Matic exploded today, so we're not gonna, you know, touch Matic up here. Phantom, you know, it's already, you know, getting into some kind of, you know, tight move up here towards the top. Yeah, Luna was actually looking okay. Now I don't like Luna because, you know, no fundamentals and stuff like that, but I do like that it's been, you know, consolidating in some kind of downtrend over here, right below the resistance line, right? Ethereum Classic also has this, you know, upper line up here somewhere. Just below the resistance. So these coins, even though they are below the resistance up here, you know, they can go down a little bit and then, you know, pump big time. Dogecoin pulling back up here after doing this move towards upside. Shiba on the other hand looks very, very nice. So these levels down here, these moving averages, right, you know, how close down to these moving averages can you get? So Shiba does look like it's you know ready to break this towards upside over here. No, it's not this one. It's something like this over here, I think. Might be a triangle. Might be a triangle. I sold this over here right now at 8.6, but you know, I bought it all the way up here at 10 or something like that. You know, so I took a loss on Qcoin just to be able to, you know, transfer it to Bybit and do something with the money. CK said dollar met target. What do you mean by that? C96 didn't pump yet. I'm looking at along with the market pullback. Dollar pumping. Is dollar pumping? Yeah, dollar is recovering. Dollar is pumping big time. But it's recovering into the resistance up here. So it is a normal move. S&P 500 still continuing towards upside. Nasdaq still continuing towards upside, breaking the channel towards upside as well. Remember the channel. And the Nasdaq is not doing anything. Not Nasdaq, Dow Jones. Liquidate one more move down before the pump. Close your trade from last stream, you would be at 10k. Yeah, maybe. Stuff happens. You know, we close too soon, open too late. So there is that. Solana, although it went into this triangle, it broke up, then went down. Right now sitting under. I don't see it over here. Yeah. Engulfing candle. So Solana looks okay-ish. I mean, came up here towards the resistance. Right now consolidating in this part over here. So you can definitely do another move towards upside over here. How much, you know, down over here? 10% down. And below the moving average is like 5% over here. So you can, you know, 5% down below the moving average, below the support lines over here, 5.3%. Let's go and zoom in a little bit more. See, it came up to the resistance up here. Check out Telos, very promising and fastest blockchain real VC. Seeing these, you know, curvature moves up here, which is never a good sign. Where is the lines? Here. Could pull even more towards downside down here. 23.3 or something like that. I won't get liquid on my XRP short after all. Yeah, short on XRP. XRP got this big channel, at least the way I see it. It's kind of crappy channel, I think. I think there must be a better channel than this one over here. There we go. Might go into this support over here and then bounce. Building it up with a dip. Now, so we got 2k, so I'm thinking opening at least 2 positions, maybe even more, 3-4 positions. I got a small position on Zilliq up here because it was moving towards downside. I kind of FOMO'd on this when Bitcoin pumped up a little bit towards the upside up here. Right now I cannot even get it back above the 10-20 moving average up here. But I'm gonna keep it open. Chiliz has nice support up here. It went up here above the resistance. Retest the support down here. It's a little bit extended from the moving averages. You see up here, maybe down here, it is. It's not definitely not this one up here. Again, trying to get back up. I think there is more pullback to come. So we can wait a little bit more. Got nothing better to do than wait. Got nothing better to do than wait. Luna up here. It's pulling. Luna is into the moving averages, but I don't like Luna. I see literally nothing special about Luna. Ethereum Classic got this moving average on the downside down here. Huge support down here. So if it can actually go down here towards the support level, that would be nice. But I'm a little bit unsure where it's gonna do that. This is more likely up here, pull back down to some kind of a, support up here. This looks like it broke out of this, triangle, double bottom up here. You're trying to get up here, and once it breaks up here towards the upside, then it's pretty much game over. It's gonna pump. So Ethereum Classic getting ready, but Ethereum Classic is following in Dogecoin. Dogecoin's lately been performing okay. Not so much interested in Dogecoin, although Dogecoin on the weekly time frame looks great. Dogecoin on the weekly time frame looks very great. I mean, this thing can actually, pump big time. But right now it's underperforming a little bit because it pumped big time over here. You remember the pump up here, that was actually a big one, but 11%. So Shiba is looking okay as well. 4 hourly time frame. It's this moving average down here, 1177 or something like that. Yeah, it's all the way down here at 1177. So I do think the Bitcoin might pull back a little bit more. Never showed Dogecoin. Yeah, we're not. Made $700 profit over past 2 days overall. Don't hate me. I will share my losses too. I don't hate you guys. I'm just mad at myself. I'm not mad at anybody making money. I'm happy for you guys. I like that you are making money. So it's gonna be better. AVAX. It's a little bit extend towards the upside. Ape is looking nice up here, consolidating up here. I think an Ape is strongly bullish coin. Ape is strongly bullish coin. It's already hitting these moving averages up here. Yeah, Ape is on some kind of bottom, I think. So I think we can long Ape. See 5-minute time from up here. Still not done. So we already know where the support down here is, right? So we just need to look for some small time frames to see some kind of change, and then we can long it. So we are definitely looking at Apecoin right now because Apecoin is at support levels. I mean, it can go down all the way down to 590 or something like that, but how much down that is, like 2-3% down. Bitcoin 1 hour, we're getting this doji up here, but it's not done yet. There's a lot of, when trading view is very laggy, there is a lot of trading going on. A lot of, people are, watching the charts. This looks actually very nice. So let's go up here. So the big question is how much we're gonna use out of, our 2K. And we're gonna long Apecoin for whatever reason. Because that thing is crazy, right? We're gonna long Apecoin. Let's see on 4 hour time from up here. It's pulling back. Isolate 10x. Phantom, double bearish divergence on 1 hourly. Till I got a nice trading range on XRP. No. 50%, that's 10,000. That's 10x. But how far down can it go? That's the big question, right? So if you go to, you know, Altcoin up here, and how much up, you know, it broke this resistance over here. So the next resistance all the way up there, it could do something like, you know, 17% up, which is very nice. So we're gonna see that a little bit extend on the weekly time frame up here, but daily, let's see 2-day time frame up here. It's nicely climbing up here. Minutes up here. Does have the burns up here? Yeah. So yeah, why not? Let's do ape. And we're gonna hodl positions for a long time, guys. We're gonna hodl positions for a long time. 50% of the position, 10x, open low position. This ape coin confirm. Okay. So you got a position on ape coin. Hopefully it doesn't dump more. And we're gonna open one more position on, I think it might be Solana, because Solana does look nice, but you know, I don't know if we're gonna do Solana. We can go to the weekly time frame and see how much, because if you look on coins and look how much, you know, distance to the 50 moving average. This is a 30% move on Cardano up here to the 50 moving average. On Solana up here, that's a, you know, 78 move towards up here, and it is sitting almost on this 20 moving average. 1-2 touches on 20 moving average, which is quite nice. Also, it's sitting up here very tightly here on these moving averages, and it already had this, you know, dump down right now. So right now it's having a pullback. So I think, you know, Solana looks very good. Call me crazy, but I think Solana looks very good. Could have a drop down to, you know, 3-4% down here. Let's get into this box. So if you manage to recover out of this box up here towards the upside up here, it's gonna go crazy, right? What's your target for the trade? Why don't my notifications work right? I don't know, man. It's YouTube. This is bullish engulfing candle here on 5-minute time frame, but you know, 10 minutes up here, got this doji up here at the top. It's an illusion. It's a toughie, I think. Right now, I think Bitcoin might try to get above the moving averages back up here. It tried to go down up here. It might try to, you know, move up here towards the upside. We're gonna see. 1 hourly did close down up here below the moving averages, drop down. It still has a, you know, way down, a little bit, you know, way down. It can actually go. Sand also on the daily time frame looks very nice, you know, ready for a move up here. It can take, you know, a couple more days up here before it actually pumps. Nice timing on the pole. I thought you were a millionaire, man. Bitcoin is, you know, it's broke this overtrend over here. Right now it's going into this maybe some kind of, you know, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern, no trade. What's Phantom gonna do? Phantom's gonna do what Phantom does, do 3000% up. For hourly closing 38 minutes. This looks like a triangle to me, guys. This looks like a triangle to me. Also, at least consolidation up here on the image. But then you have these, you know, these moves up here. Pump to 25k already. Jeez, yeah, like what you're waiting for, man? Then on 25x long, FTM long up 690 and 125x long. Dude, these leverages are crazy. Like, how much money is on both of these trades? Like $5. I wouldn't be doing, you know, more than $5 on those trades. 120, like you can insta wrecked. It goes unfortunately. Yeah, all depends on Bitcoin. You are quite right about that. But as the burns up here, climbing up here, it needs to get back above this movement. So I'm gonna see if it can actually manage to do that. I think people are, I don't know, what do you guys think? So we're just gonna tell them to find a hotel room. Okay. Gort, Rostein, I know you guys like each other, you know, find a hotel room, you know, take it chill in the chat, you know. There is that. What you guys think? Do you think that, you know, people think right now that the drop is humming, or do they think that, you know, we can pump more? BNB RSR. Chili's is just down here on 10 moving average. It's not, it hasn't, I mean, this pump up here is nothing. This is the World Cup pump. Then went down, and right now it's climbing up here again. But I don't know, I'm not really, you know, fan of Chili's. Get a pullback, so many are going to get wrecked on else. I love Gore, he's my favorite bear. Right now it's holding okay. We are near the top. Oh, there was near. No, I saw near and I thought it was looking good. Where is near? There's near. Up here on the 20 moving average, sitting up here with a pullback down here. You know, hugging the moving average up here on the daily time frame is trying to climb. I think, you know, this might actually be, you know, trade for tomorrow or something like that. Open, then pull back down and then, you know, go towards the upside. But near does look okay. And the 4 hourly time frame is slowly climbing up here. Give or take, because this is bearish engulfing, I think. Yeah. But it's a big wick. How much did near do from the bottom to the top? 100%. Right now it says like 22 just to 200 moving average. And it has, you know, up here, you know, 113% to 50 more. This is actually nice. Just to, you know, just on the daily, just to hit the 200 moving average on the daily up here, you know, it can do, you know, 20%. Just the 200 moving average, nothing else, just 200 moving average. And on the weekly time frame, like 50 moving average is all the way up here at 5.4. And right now sitting on top of the 20 moving average up here. And I know that people are talking, you know, I haven't heard bad news about near. So there's that. Coming up here, 4 hours is gonna hold. I think we're gonna long near up here. How much down? 3-4% up here if it goes down. So let's watch Bitcoin. Tell you excited for these next 3 months. Next 3 months, I'm very excited now, man. I don't have to wait to get excited. I'm shorting Matic. What did you just say? I don't know, what did I just say? Oh, long one near open already. 9x, nice. It did manage to get back above this line, above this line. Just barely, but you know, it did manage to get above that. I'm not a fan of chilies. Oh, chilies. Okay. I thought you were a fan of chilies. I thought that was your biggest position, man, or something like that. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this thing did well up here in the you know, towards the World Cup up here, right? But after that, it went down, back down to the bottom, and right now it's climbing back up here again. So you know, will it do another one of those, you know, crazy moves? You know, do we have another World Cup coming soon? It's for long at the moment. I don't know. Daily 4 hour up here. Yeah, we're just gonna long near, and then we're just gonna keep them open and see how this plays out. I actually like near. Near is okay. Near is already climbing towards the upside up here. Small time frames. 1 hour, 30 minutes up here, closing above the moving averages. Let's wait 2 minutes and then you know, bite above. Said 2 minutes ago, not me. VIX is spiking up as well. I wouldn't go long now. Yeah, a lot of people are going low now, so I'm a little bit scared. To tell you the truth, I'm a little bit scared to go low now, but the support lines are not broken just yet. Meta pumping hard. Yeah, Meta has been pumping hard. Facebook is up 23%. Snap is up 10%. Beyond Meat is up 20%. What I told you yesterday about Beyond Meat? Do you guys remember? 25% up here. What I told you about Beyond Meat, huh? What's your target and what's your risk to reward? You need to know this before entering. Before entering! Why do I need to know this before entering? I can figure it out later. So as long as my position, like, yeah, you know, if you start looking at, you know, where is your target up? Well, on Altcoin, let's go to Altcoin. Where is the F? There we go. There's Altcoin. So we entered this somewhere down here, right? So let's go to the daily time frame over here. Can remove everything. Can go to the weekly time frame, yeah. So Altcoin doesn't have the moving averages up here on. Altcoin doesn't have moving averages, you know, 50 moving averages and anything like that you can use on the weekly time frame. On 2-day time frame, we are above all moving averages. On daily, we are also above all moving averages, right? So you see this top up here. Right now, we are, you know, trying to break this top up here. So I would say the first target for Ape at least is up here at, you know, something like, you know, 16-17% towards upside. While on the downside over here, I would say that, you know, if you lose the bottom down here, 5%. This is actually not a very good, you know, win to reward ratio. This is only like 3-to-1 or something like that. This is actually quite bad. But if you go below 5.7 or something like that, 6.7%, that's pretty huge. Below 20 moving average, but it could happen. Yeah, I need to read up on the risk reward, you know, how people are doing actually that kind of thing. So there is that. Now, when it comes to near is actually, you know, and I'm looking, when it comes to near, I'm looking, you know, some kind of, you know, 120% up to the 50 moving average eventually, right? How long that's gonna take, you know, that kind of depends. But you know, the first target on up here is, you know, 20% up here, while the move towards downside is something like you know, below the support over here at 8%. So you know, 8, 8, 16, 24. Yeah, it's almost like 3 to 1. Yeah, 3 to 1. But when you're doing 10x leverage, it's not that much. I mean, if you're doing like spot or something like that, I don't know. 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is not that bad. I don't know, but the thing is, you cannot lose, you cannot risk the one up here, right? You risk the one, you get liquidated. You understand? Like NIR has a lot better risk reward. Like if you're looking risk to reward on the 50 moving average, if you're looking at risk to reward on 50 moving, that's 114 versus you know, a dump down to, you know, 8%. But you know, the 8% is liquidations. It's not. The dump 8% is liquidation, right? So you know, you cannot say it's risk reward 100% to, you know, you're gonna risk 100% to get 12x, right? So I don't know. It sounds good, but you know, if you wrecked you out, say it depends on percentage. Well, yeah, it depends on percentage. So I'm a little bit unsure how to do this, but you know, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna check out, you know, how other people are doing and stuff like that. This looks like it's gonna be bullish engulfing candle on the. It's already on 30-minute chart, close above 10 moving. So this looks actually very nice. This move up here, it looks like a very strong move up here. So I'm very confident in NIR, and ape is a little bit up here as well. Not that much, but it's a little bit up here. I still need to get above these moving averages. Anyways, we got 2 positions open right now. So not. Why we don't have a NIR open position? What? I thought we opened NIR position. What's happening, guys? What's happening? I thought we had opened NIR position. Oh man, open low. There we go. Okay, we got 2 positions open. We put 200 on that trade. Only 200 on one trade. How are we gonna make money with 200 bucks? So I need to think about a series of trades, not just a single trade. That's where a risk reward is very powerful. Yeah, but how do you calculate risk reward? Or you know, do you know what I need to do? I need to listen to, you know, traders that are making money. I wanna ask, you know, that Martini guy, you know, how do you calculate your risk reward? Like, he has a bunch of money, so he doesn't care. I've also noticed that, for example, Crypto, you know, he does $1 million trade. And he's like, no, I'm just gonna let it go into liquidation if it goes down there, you know. So it's a huge risk, right? But you know, I cannot do that. I cannot let it go to liquidation. So how do you do risk reward with, you know, 10x leverage? You gotta be like master TR artist, you know where to use the built-in leverage calculator. What's the built-in leverage calculator? Long short target price. This one here. So leverage 10x. Quantity. What's my quantity on the NIR trade up here? 4245. Entry price 2.504. Close price. Yeah, what are we gonna close it daily? 200. Let's say up here at this is ape. Where is NIR? $3.04. Okay, 3.04. Whatever. 3.04. Profit loss 21%. Yeah. ROI 214. I get that. This doesn't tell me anything. Initial margin, profit loss, like it tells me nothing. Just how much I'm gonna make money. Like I can do this calculation in my head. So this is not that. Entry price, field liquidation price. I don't need to calculate liquidation price. Target price. So it doesn't help me with risk reward. Risk reward is something else. How can I get wrecked like you, but be a millionaire like you? Yeah. do you guys think we should, invite, these guys to the channel and do, interview with them and, ask them about stuff? I think we should do that. Nah. Okay, Bitcoin is doing nice up here. It bounced off of that support line that we had down here, so, it is getting up here, over here. Is it getting above this resistance as well? No. So it's hitting a resistance right now. But, there was some kind of spending a wedge over here, went above, went below, and right now it's back inside the wedge up here again. So whichever, side this actually plays out, that might be actually very, very good. So let's see. It's not complicated. I'll make our video and share it with you. Yeah, do that, man. Do that. You can look on TradingView risk-reward ratio. How do I do this? Risk reward. It's ideas, right? Where are ideas? Invite Garrett Soloway, you'll get thousands of views. Yeah, he's bearish. I don't know, man. He's bearish. Making to retrade the SC. If I have the details right, he traded 10k to 1 million in a month once. Wow. Bullish. Milan is bullish. No, he says 25k. Now we are still at resistance, nothing happened. These are small time frames, this is 5-minute time frame, but it might get it. Nah, I don't need this. He's a trader Dank's mentor. Okay. Do you know who I want to be my mentor? That Martini guy and Crypto Face. Good to see you, Sam. How you doing, man? Invite Seki if you want to help him. Now, CK is not a trader, he's an investor. Seen trading face. Crypto face, not trading face. Guys, I gotta go, but we gotta trades open, so we're gonna let the trades. Eric Crown. I don't like Eric Crown, approach to trading because he used too much, too many trading face is another. Check him out. No, I don't think I've heard about him. Is this the guy? Doesn't have a YouTube. Los Angeles. SO and XO are better than Martini Boy. I haven't, I see that I've been watching, that XO guy or SZ guy, I don't know, but I haven't seen their trades. They don't post trades. They only post, what they think is gonna happen and stuff like that. They don't post trades. I want people to, post trades and talk about, levels and stuff like that. Talk about, stuff like risk reward. Invite Cryptanoop. Cryptanoop is not a trader. He's just analyzing TA. Nah, it kind of failed up here. We're gonna see. It's not done yet. But I gotta go. I gotta take the kid to training. So we're gonna. I respect that they don't share your millions public. I mean, they don't have to, show their, big trades like that Martini guy is not showing his, $1 million trades. He's, taking $1,000 here and $1,000 there, but they should show trades live, so so we can verify what I'm doing, you know. So there is that. I missed most of the stream, but I'll go back in the beginning now. Thanks. It wasn't so special stream. It wasn't so special stream. Straight it out. Because you see a lot of these, you know, these, trading gurus on, TikTok, on YouTube, on Twitter. You know, oh, look at my trade, it's up, you know, it's up to 5,000%. Yeah, but was that, you know, because what they can do is they can do 2 trades or 3 trades or 10 trades with, you know, $1, 125x, you know, and get like, insane wins, and then just post those wins, screenshot the wins without actually, money, and say, look me, I made, $5,000, you know. Yeah, Bitcoin is breaking towards upside right now, so I'm thinking our trades are gonna play out well. So I think we can just leave it without any kind of stop loss or anything like that. Yeah, we're up a little bit. It's okay. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Yeah, you can trust anyone blindly, but I'll see you later, guys. I gotta take the kid to work out. Here's a legend, and that M guy is terrible. Yeah, like I don't look at that Martini guy as some kind of very good trade. That's why I'm mad today. When CryptoFace makes money, I'm not mad. You understand? I'm not mad when CryptoFace makes money, because CryptoFace is actually a legit trader. Like, he trades live all the time, he shows he trades, everybody knows he's making big bucks, he's been doing this in the bear market, bull market, like, he always makes money, right? Now, that Martini guy, I haven't seen that much shilling from that Martini guy during the bear market that he was making big money on trading. In the bull market, it's a lot easier to do that, right? So, if that Martini guy can do it, we can do it as well. Thanks long with whole account. We've been doing that for a while. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the stream here, and we're gonna do another stream later today. We are not done with this. I'm also expecting more money to come in onto the account soon, so we're gonna have more money to post more trades and stuff like that. So that's gonna be interesting. Thanks everybody for stopping by. You know what to do with the Bybit link down below if you wanna trade me, if you wanna become master trader. There's that. Posting video in 1 minute. Time you'll be back on probably after 7-8 p.m. Central European time, because kids go to bed around 7 p.m. So, but today is Friday, so no, today is Thursday. Yeah, 7 p.m. 7-8 p.m. So maybe 8-9 p.m. or something like that. There will be another stream. Thanks for watching, guys. I gotta go. Bye bye.